Hi guys, now let's see how to mirror images in Canva. So first, grab a photo that you want to mirror either from uploads or elements. So I will choose this one that I recently used. So after that, I will just duplicate the photo so you can see which one is the mirrored one. So after copying and pasting, now I will click on the image that I wanted to mirror, and then on the upper options, we can see the flip options. We can flip it horizontally and it's mirrored. Now to try to see the difference, we will now put the image on top and on the bottom and flip it vertically. So now we can see it was mirrored. So that's it. That's how we mirror images on Canva. See you soon!